My name is Mark Gellner, owner of your local Stanley Steemer. How we started back in 1981, it was myself and my parents. I was out there being the technician. My parents were inside answering the phone calls, doing all the financial stuff. And then eventually we started getting into more territories. Now we're up to about 200 employees and about 110 vehicles as of today. After we were in business for multiple years with myself and my parents decided to go ahead and retire. We bought them out. That's when I got married to my lovely wife. We started expanding to the 3rd, the 4th, the 5th, the 6th, all the way up to the 8th location.
Back in 2001, when I joined Stanley Steemer by marrying Mark, they really weren't doing a lot of community service. So I felt like that was something that we were missing. And as we grew, I realized that being in the community was about giving back to the community. So I've been involved now for 25 years, and seeing it grow and grow and grow, we just started picking up more charities and more organizations to help. So it's not always about sales. It was more about just feeling good and being able to provide a service for our community. We instilled in our employees over time a family atmosphere, and they give back to us with longevity. We've had so many employees that have been with us for 35 plus years. I mean, and that's unheard of in this day and age in a company. So we're proud of those employees, and they love to come to work and be a part of our so-called family. So that's important to us.
It's not what you say, it's how you say it, and also too, how you treat your employees. And in return, we hope and we know our employees treat our customers that way also. We're engaged all the way from myself, my wife, every employee, every day they come with different ideas. And if there's something that we can do for our consumers as an extra service, we research it, we're professional about it, and we'll not do it unless we can do it right.
I think Stanley Steemer needs to cross over to that next generation by providing new services that people probably never think of, which is air duct cleaning, or deep cleaning your floor, or your upholstery, or your drapes, or anything that's in your home that really needs a good, thorough cleaning. I would hope that the next generation understands that we've been around for over 70 years. We know how to do it. We invented the process. So hopefully they go back to that generation of knowing how to clean something properly. And that's where Stanley Steemer plays an important role. We invented the cleaning process. I think the customer should pick us automatically when they think of anything to be cleaned in their home, whether it be their floors or their upholstery, air ducts. Stanley Steemer's been around the longest. We invented the process. It should be a no-brainer to call us. We should be the name that you trust to get you back to clean.
There's more different services today than there was 20 years ago. So we as a company, we have to be prepared for that. We have to train for that. There's a lot less carpet that's being manufactured and installed, but more hard surfaces, all the way from wood, laminate, VCT, all the way to area rugs, also air ducts. And that's where all the training comes in, all the certifications. Our vision for the company is to take care of the consumer. We want to do everything for the consumer that we can do very well. Our area rug facility, it's a specialized building that has equipment that can clean any type of rug that you can have, that you can bring in, or we have our people that'll come to your home, roll it up, and do the 8-step process. And by the time we're done, we bring it back to you. And what's nice about it, the customer does not have to do anything. There is no mess in your home, and it looks beautiful.
I would hope that the next generation understands that we've been around for over 70 years. We know how to do it. We invented the process, whether it be their floors or their upholstery, air ducts. Stanley Steemer's been around the longest. We have a workmanship guarantee. We're going to make sure that you're happy. We're going to make sure that our technicians are trained and ready to be in your home and get you back to clean.
Thanks for getting to know us.
If you want more tips, behind the scenes content, and home care insights, subscribe to this channel and join our community.
Stanley Steemer gets your home